Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The limits of size, luxury, and engineering are continuously being pushed in the ultra-luxury motorhome industry. Conceptual heavyweights like the Mercedes Actros 12m Motorhome and the Cruzzer 3 Slideouts Motorhome are at the very top of this market. Designed to offer a level of comfort and sophistication that approaches a fixed house, these vehicles are more than just recreational vehicles. They are mobile estates that serve affluent clients who expect the best in every area of their lives. The powerful Mercedes-Benz Actros truck chassis serves as the foundation for the conceptually stunning Mercedes Actros 12m Motorhome. An excellent base for a vehicle of this size is offered by the Actros, a brand that is widely recognized in the commercial sector for dependability, power, and long-distance efficiency. The 12m in its name refers to its remarkable length, which serves as a canvas for the painstakingly designed expansive, opulent living area. German engineering and contemporary aesthetics would be showcased in the external design. The RV body would be streamlined and aerodynamic, with seamless paneling and integrated lighting, all while preserving the Actros' sturdy, functional lines. The best quality construction would be used, most likely a self-supporting monocoque structure with cutting-edge insulation for all-weather performance. The inside living area would be a haven of luxury furnishings and cutting-edge technology. A full-size kitchen, a large living and dining space, and an opulent master suite would all be part of the open and spacious concept. Top-notch appliances and solid surface counters would be considered typical features. Everything from entertainment and security to lighting and climate would be managed by an advanced automation system. The Actros' powerful engine and sophisticated air suspension would make it a smooth and effortless driving experience, despite its commanding appearance. Another conceptual monster, the Cruzzer 3 Slideouts Motorhome, emphasizes creative design to maximize interior room. The distinctive 3 slideouts are 3 sizable, hydraulically powered portions that, when the car is parked, extend the living area outward. This system turns the inside into a large, open-plan living space that rivals the square footage of a small apartment, rather than a roomy travel corridor. The Cruzzer's design would pay homage to contemporary home architecture. Despite its size, the exterior would be visually appealing, emphasizing the wide windows and a simple, clean shape. It would be a custom-built, robust structure that could sustain the weight and intricacy of the slide-out mechanisms. The Cruzzer's interior is its best feature. The increased area enables a whole new level of luxury. The kitchen may be a professional-grade area with a sizable island and plenty of storage, while the living room could include full-size, residential-style furniture. With a king-size bed and a walk-in closet, the master bedroom might be considered a genuine suite. Unique additions like a private gym, home theater, or separate office are also made possible by the extra space. Every trip would be completely comfortable and convenient because of the extensive automation and technology, which would include superior communication capabilities and redundant power systems. In conclusion, the Cruzzer 3 Slideouts Motorhome and the Mercedes Actros 12m Motorhome both stand for the ultimate in luxury in the realm of mobile life. These are not just cars. They are custom-built mobile homes that provide an unmatched level of luxury and independence, demonstrating that a home can be found on any road with the correct design and engineering.